Hello my friends and welcome back. Thank you very much for being with me again today. I'm sorry for the Bitcoin investors, but it seems like Bitcoin is on its way down still, and as is gold as well. So anyway, so let's see what's going on here with the Bitcoin, which I think at one point was about $60-some thousand, and right now it's something about $18,000 or even less. But this article right here will tell us exactly what's going on. So this article comes from Sputnik, from Russia. Those guys are going to tell us, give us some propaganda, okay? So this article comes from today, which is the 15th of December 2022. Bitcoin drops amid Fed's decision to increase interest rates. So Bitcoin fell lower than $18,000 on Thursday amid U.S. Federal Reserve System's announcement of interest rate hike. Not a good move here. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve announced a 50 basis points hike, setting the rate at the 15-year high of 4.4%, which is within its target range from 4.25 to 4.5%. As of 1200 GMT, the largest cryptocurrency was trading at $17,720 on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. On Wednesday, it surpassed the 18,000 ceiling for the first time since early October, stopping at around 18,300 on Binance, I don't know if you pronounce it that way or not. The US stock market has also gone in the red zone, with almost all major tech companies slowly sinking on the Nasdaq on Thursday. Media have pointed to the recent correlation between Bitcoin's value and trends on the stock exchange. According to CNBC, crypto investors are also closely following the aftermath of the collapse of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange, which might be one of the reasons why they're reluctant to buy Bitcoin right now. I gotta tell you this piece of information. Gold, not that kind of gold, but gold also dropped. First it gained some and we're like, oh my god, look at that gold. And then it dropped today big time. So, well, if you have a lot of money invested in gold, or you have a lot of money in the stock market, this would be a good time to, when there's blood in the street, you invest. The same here. Well, you gotta take advantage of each and every opportunity. The problem is that we do not have that amount of money to do all these speculative works. Bitcoin, I always said, and I will continue to say, until the Bitcoin system is under the countries, the IMF and countries and UN and blah blah blah, who knows who, thumb, right here, they will not, how should I put it, enter the real market and economy. This is my prediction. Why? Do you think that the the banks, the international banking system, wants to just, and the countries that they control, do you think that they want the Bitcoin to bypass certain things and, no. So little by little, unless the Bitcoin will be regulated by central banks, by governments, in the name of other international banking system, Bitcoin will be cut off. Now, that reminds me of the battery operated vehicles. They said, well, how about we do this? How about we do this? Until the big automotive companies, in charge, they don't get ready and they get the head start of everyone against everybody else, they will not make it as being, I think electrical cars are a good thing. Well, somehow, what's his name, Tesla bypassed those guys, but with everybody pointing out, everybody being the lobby for the big, Ford, Chrysler, whatever those guys are. About 4 of them. That's all. That's always remained, and they have the everybody else under their little wing of control. So now they got the monopoly kind of. They say, oh yeah, electric cars are good. Yeah, okay. The same thing is going to be with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, oh, it's shame. It's oh my God, Bitcoin is not good. Bitcoin is this. Bitcoin is that. And then when the bankers and the governments will be able to regulate it and take control of it, you're going to see how they're going to promote Bitcoin. Oh yeah, Bitcoin, that's good, that's fine. But being not regulated in many other countries, then you have this kind of ups and downs, and they have a lot of enemies. I don't have anything invested in Bitcoin, so I don't have any no interest in saying yay or nay. But anyway, good luck for you guys who have invested in Bitcoin. And as I'm saying, until the governments, these politicians, these guys in control of us, don't get full control of that and regulate it so they can get a piece of the pie, that will be just like that. And eventually they can make it and say, okay, that's something, I don't know, gonna make something and say, oh, it's illegal or something. You'll see. Or they will just block the use of Bitcoins. They can do whatever they want. We just have to minimize our losses. It's not that we can, oh man, I saved this, I did this. No, you just minimized the loss. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Stay strong, stay smart, look for the truth, and be just.